How to use. Before and after operation. Charge the tablet in advance or connect the charging cable. There are 5 small dots on the lower side of the plate interface, aligned with the instrument slot contact port. Close contact. The instrument is turned on. The plate will automatically recognize the connection of the instrument. Note, the contact ports of the plate and the instrument must be aligned and in good contact, otherwise the plate will not be able to recognize the connected instrument. Tap on System icon. Enter ID account to enter the interface. Note, the first time you enter the system you need to register ID account. You need to enter the name of the administrator, phone, gender and other information. Before the test, you need to clean your face and dry it gently with paper towel. Customers with makeup need to remove makeup. Click on Full Test. Open the cover of the skin inspection handle. After touching the skin, click the button on the handle to collect a photo of the area. Take 3 photos each of forehead, eye area, cheeks, nose, mouth and chin in order. After all the photos are taken, tap Analyze to get a full test analysis. There has wrinkle, pore spot, roughness, oil content, sensitivity, moisture, acne. Summary product. Recommend 10 modules. Each module has a specific analysis. Historical comparison of test data. Skin comparison. Skin contrast. Natural light. Polarized light, ultraviolet light skin. Based on the test results, you can give customers skincare advice and program recommendations. Click on the bottom right corner. You can see the full report. Click Print. Connect to the printer. You can print out the test report. Click on Spot Check. Click on the desired module. Align the inspection handle with the skin that needs to be inspected. Click the button on the handle to capture the skin photo of the area and then obtain the analyzed data of the area. Click View Report. You can see the test records. Click Print. Connect to the printer. You can print out the test report. Click Care. You can enter the instrument handle interface. Fill 3 bottles of solution into blue bottles. A clean water tank and a wastewater tank in the back. Wastewater is full and needs to be disposed of. Moisten cotton pads with blackhead remover and apply it to the blackheads and whiteheads on the face. Cover the eye area and use hot spray for 5 to 8 minutes. Ion bubble pen. Choose the tip according to your skin condition. Time recommendation 5 to 10 minutes. Capacity of the wastewater bottle state, and then rotate the button to the required bottle number. The bottle filled with pure water. Rotate to the left is to reduce suction. Rotate to the right is to increase suction. Adjust to the appropriate amount of water can be control buttons. Contact the skin for yes, rotate and lift. You can also suction the skin and then gently move 1 to 2 cm. Work on the whole face first and then focus on the nose area. Spade knife. Operating time 5 to 10 minutes. Energy 3 to 7. Mode selection. There is a start pause button on the handle. Keeping the skin moist, move the spatula head downward against the skin slowly. Cleansing. Iron gun pen. Put the lotion into a small bottle. Tap the button on the handle to use. Keep it 3 to 5 cm away from your face. Ice head. Operating time 5 to 8 minutes. Energy -1 to -5 with a gel or mask. Move slowly in a circular motion. Scrape off the gel and clean it. Match with Essence products. Ultrasonic. Operating time 8 total minutes. Energy 3 to 7 from low energy slowly adjusted. Mode selection. Start. Lift along the chin to below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, nose to the upper ear direction. Circle along the chin to under the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Circle on both sides of the nose. Circle the forehead to the left and right sides. The other side is the same. Gold RF. Operating time 15 to 20 minutes. Energy 3 to 7 from low energy slowly adjusted. Start. Apply the gel evenly. Circle along the chin to under the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Lift along the chin to under the ear, the corner of the mouth to the middle of the ear, and the nose to the top of the ear. Lift from lower eyelids to temples. 1 minute. Combined with hand lifting. Circle the forehead to the left and right sides. Same procedure for the other side of the face. Neck. Apply in a circular motion on the neck. Cleansing. Apply mask 15 minutes. And apply water, milk and other skincare procedures.